All right, success in removing both of the hubs now. And off the car. As expected, this the long bolt that was through here was kind of a bear to get off. They're usually pretty corroded in there. Bolt isn't terrible, but it's a little bit corroded up. Definitely needs to be cleaned and re-zinc coated. But we have the hub off there. So that's ready to go onto the press to get all the pieces and parts apart. I need to order some things. I'm gonna get a new set of these trailing arms. The factory bushing in the trailing arms is super, super, super soft. It kind of allows us to move around quite a bit. I think I'm also gonna replace these arms with the ones that are adjustable in length. And the advantage of that is that you can do both the toe and the camber with both sets of adjustments, because both bars have adjustable links on them. And so that will make it a little easier to do some good alignment work. And I think I'm also gonna pop the axles out, which you can just pop out with a tool right here. Because they're a little rusted, I wanna just clean that up and put something on it so it doesn't rust so much. And I may pull off a couple of these brackets too under here, just to get a chance to clean up some of the stuff and maybe rust prevent it a little bit. It's also what time to pull the struts off since these are gonna go away. But we are making progress. The front hubs are sitting right over here and they're also ready to go. I got the parts in yesterday with the bearings and the seals, so I need to press out those hubs and then work on getting those housings all cleaned up and see if we can get this working.